Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Ruby programming language on Windows 11 PC. So to install Ruby programming language on Windows 11 PC, I open my browser and type Ruby, then hit enter. Then click on first link, that is Ruby programming language. This is the official website of Ruby programming language. Ruby is dynamic open source programming language with a focus on simplicity and productivity. It has an elegant syntax that is natural to read and easy to write. So I click on download Ruby button and then I scroll down. On Windows machine, you can use Ruby installer. So I click on Ruby installer and then I click on download button. And then here is a recommendation that Ruby plus DevKit 3.3.x x64 installer. So I click on it and then Ruby installer is starting download. It takes few minutes to complete download. So Ruby installer DevKit is downloaded. I minimize my browser, double click on Ruby installer. It show me protected your PC. I click on more info and click on run anyway. And then click on install for me only recommended. And then I accept the license and click on next and click on install and click on next. So it is extracting file and installing software on this Windows 11 PC. So installation is now changing install directory permission. Then I click on finish. Then it will run a command line system where they ask some question to finish installation process. So for this MCS2 basic installation, I press on 1 from the keyboard and then hit enter. It asks me which components shall be installed. So I hit enter. Ruby programming language installation completed. So I right click on desktop blank space and go to open in terminal, then type Ruby space -v to check Ruby version. This is the Ruby programming language version 3.3.7. Then now I check gem version. I type gem space -v, hit enter. This is the gem version. So that is my video. In this video, I show you how to install Ruby programming language on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook page, please follow the Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.